VVIP entrance of the CISF as the CISF task force is also over here. So this is where all the action, all the drama is happening. Even as many of them, the SIT is waiting for the rape accused MP to go ahead and take him into custody. So all said and done, it's just countdown before Prajwal Revanna comes in, and he will needs to be questioned as to who has gone ahead, funded his stay in Germany for over 33 days. What sort of help he had as well is something that needs to be seen. So it is the CISF staff who is again on high alert as well at this point of time. We will try to focus on the sleuths from the special investigation team as well, who are waiting, who are on standby at this point of time. Security is still being beefed up even as we are speaking now. So he is expected to arrive any time now. He's expected to arrive any time now, is what we get to understand, as formalities have been completed with the immigration department, and therefore they will officially be handing him over to the special investigation team out here as well in Terminal 2 at the arrivals bay of the VVIP enclosure as well. Just moving in, focusing on the special investigation team, their movement as well at this point of time. So all said and done, that will have to be seen, and also the sort of developments that we can expect tomorrow, because it is a triple trouble for the Revanna family as well, because there are two bail hearings, one of Bhavani Revanna and the other of Prajwal Revanna at this point of time, and they will be heard in the Special People's Representative Court at 11:30 in the morning tomorrow. Technically today. And also the special investigation team will be approaching the Karnataka High Court to go ahead and seek the quashing of the interim bail that has been given to Mr. H.T. Revanna as well. So all said and done now, it's just a countdown for Prajwal Revanna to be brought in by the special investigation team and for him to be grilled in as well. And we will continue to stay with these live visuals and back to you in the studios for now.
Prajwal Revanna has been arrested, and to our production teams, we have a double watermark. We'll just correct that. We'll put a single watermark. The story is live and breaking. Prajwal Revanna has been arrested. Revanna has been arrested, and he's been taken away. And he was picked up the moment he landed. Picked up the moment he landed, and that's the first picture on your screens right now. Prajwal Revanna arrested from the terminal as well, and we've accessed the first video, ladies and gentlemen. So if you're watching this, you won't find this video anywhere else, because Republic Kannada and the Republic Media Network has got the first shot of him landing. We have got the first shot of him landing. He has landed in Bengaluru. He has landed, and the moment he landed, the team was ready to take him into custody. And they have just done that, and he's been taken away. He's been taken away from the Kempe Gowda International Airport. He will be taken to Bengaluru. He will first perhaps to be produced and then also taken for a medical examination. He's a sitting MP, ladies and gentlemen. That makes it all the more serious. A sitting MP facing very, very serious charges of sexual assault. And Prajwal Revanna has been arrested. That's a video taken by the Republic Kannada team. We had placed our reporters inside the terminal as well, and made sure that we got these pictures first up. And immediately after he landed, there are 4 or 5 videos. We'll play out those videos one by one. There was a video of him taken into custody the moment he got off that plane. He gets off the plane, gets onto the aero bridge, gets off the aero bridge, gets arrested.